We will create many variations of the countdown fire effect. Import the countdown fire effect video and background color into the CapCut menu. Now tap on background color. Select overlay. Drag it below the countdown and match the duration length. Tap on the countdown, then select adjust and set the saturation to -50 to remove all the colors. Tap on background color. Choose splice, then select overlay. After that, check if it looks good, then export it. Go back to the project menu, tap on background color, select replace, choose another color, and make sure it fills the entire screen. If everything looks good, export it. Then we repeat the process by changing to another color. Finally, we now have 5 variations of the fire countdown. Now let's go back to the video tutorial project 4, where we created the fire countdown with the fire overlay to take only the fire effect. Now we're in the project menu of video tutorial 4. We're only going to use the fire effect. First, tap the fire overlay on the left, then select main track. Tap the countdown and choose delete. Now, let's check the fire overlay and make sure it looks smooth. If it looks good, then export it. Next, we import the fire overlay along with a background color. We're going to create several effect variations to upload on Adobe Stock. First, tap on the background color and make sure it fills the entire screen. Then, select Overlay. Drag it below the fire overlay and match the duration length. Tap on the fire overlay, choose Adjust, then select Saturation and set it to -50. Then, tap on the background color, choose Splice, and select Overlay. Let's check it and make sure it looks smooth, then export it. Go back to the project. Tap the background color, choose Replace, and change it to another color. Check it again, and if it looks good, export it. We keep repeating this process. Finally, we have 6 fire overlay variations, so now we have more than 10 videos ready to upload to Adobe Stock, allowing us to dominate the tags and keywords in the marketplace.